Axie Ifinity value equivalent to $8,589 a coin. The present exchanged cost range $8.24 to $94.80 and 608. The earlier day close $8 2011. The change was plus 0.578 plus 0.70%. Backwards rate Oz to Ax. Axie Ifinity conjecture for May 2024. In the first place, cost at $837. Exorbitant cost $1039, while low cost $837. The normal for the month $921. Axie Ifinity cost conjecture toward the month's end $971, change for May 16%. Axie Ifinity cost expectation for June 2024. At the outset, cost at $971. Excessive cost $1196, while low cost $971. The normal for the month $1064. Axie Ifinity cost conjecture toward the month's end $1118, change for June 1%. Axie Ifinity conjecture for July 2024. Before all else, cost at $1118. Exorbitant cost $1388, while low cost $1118. The normal for the month $1230. Axie Ifinity cost estimate toward the month's end $1297, change for July 16%. Axie Ifinity cost expectation for August 2024. Initially cost at $1297. Excessive cost $1394, while low cost $1212. The normal for the month $13.2. Axie Ifinity cost gauge toward the month's end $13.3, change for August 0.5%. Axie Ifinity gauge for September 2024. In the first place, cost at $13.3. Exorbitant cost $14.50, while low cost $12.60. The normal for the month $13.42. Axie Ifinity cost conjecture toward the month's end $13.55, change for September 4%. Axie Ifinity cost expectation for October 2024. To start with, cost at $13.55. Exorbitant cost $14.63, while low cost $12.71. The normal for the month $13.64. Axie Ifinity cost gauge toward the month's end $13.67, change for October's 9%. Axie Ifinity gauge for November 2024. To start with, cost at $13.67. Exorbitant cost $15.11, while low cost $13.13. The normal for the month $14.1. Axie Ifinity cost gauge toward the month's end $14.12, change for November 3%. Axie Ifinity cost expectation for December 2024. First and foremost, cost at $14.12. Exorbitant cost $15.61, while low cost $13.57. The normal for the month $14.47. Axie Ifinity cost estimate toward the month's end $14.59, change for December 3%. Axie Ifinity estimate for January 2025. First and foremost, cost at $14.59. Excessive cost $15.84, while low cost $13.76. The normal for the month $14.75. Axie Ifinity cost figure toward the month's end $14.80, change for January 4%. Axie Ifinity cost expectation for February 2025. Initially cost at $14.80. Exorbitant cost $16.32, while low cost $14.18. The normal for the month $15.14. Axie Ifinity cost conjecture toward the month's end $15.95, change for February 3%. Axie Ifinity conjecture for Walk 2025. At the outset, cost at $15.95. Excessive cost $16.83, while low cost $14.63. The normal for the month $15.61. Axie Ifinity cost conjecture toward the month's end $15.73, change for spring 1%. Axie Ifinity cost expectation for April 2025. Before all else, cost at $15.73. Exorbitant cost $19.53, while low cost $15.73. The normal for the month $17.31. Axie Ifinity cost figure toward the month's end $18.95 at change for April 16%. Axie Ifinity figure for May 2025. In the first place, cost at $18.25. Exorbitant cost $20.20, while low cost $17.56. The normal for the month $18.72. Axie Ifinity cost conjecture toward the month's end $18.88, change for May 5%. Axie Ifinity cost expectation for June 2025. To start with, cost at $18.88. Exorbitant cost $21.01, while low cost $18.97. The normal for the month $19.45. Axie Ifinity cost conjecture toward the month's end $19.64, change for June 4%. Axie Ifinity estimate for July 2025. First and foremost cost at $1964. Exorbitant cost $19.64, while low cost $15.35. The normal for the month $17.78. Axie Ifinity cost conjecture toward the month's end $16.50. Change for July 16%. Axie Ifinity cost expectation for August 2025. First and foremost cost at $16.50. Exorbitant cost $16.50, while low cost $13.63. The normal for the month $15.32. Axie Ifinity cost estimate toward the month's end $14.66. Change for August 11.2%. Axie Ifinity estimate for September 2025. First and foremost cost at $14.66. Excessive cost $14.66, while low cost $11.45. The normal for the month $13.97. Axie Ifinity cost gauge toward the month's end $12.31. Change for September 16%. Axie Ifinity cost expectation for October 2025. To start with, cost at $12.31. Exorbitant cost $15.28, while low cost $12.31. The normal for the month $13.55. Axie Ifinity cost gauge toward the month's end $14.28. Change for October 16%. Axie Ifinity conjecture for November 2025. At the outset, cost at $14.28. Excessive cost $17.72, while low cost $14.28. The normal for the month $15.71. Axie Ifinity cost figure toward the month's end $16.56. Change for November 16%. Axie Ifinity cost expectation for December 2025. At the outset, cost at $16.56. Excessive cost $20.55, while low cost $16.56. The normal for the month $18.92. Axie Ifinity cost estimate toward the month's end $9.21. Change for December 16%. Axie Ifinity estimate for January 2026. To start with, cost at $91. Exorbitant cost $23.84, while low cost $19.21. The normal for the month $21.14. Axie Ifinity cost conjecture toward the month's end $22.28. Change for January 16%. Axie Ifinity cost expectation for February 2026. First and foremost cost at $22.18. Exorbitant cost $27.65, while low cost $22.18. The normal for the month $24.51. Axie Ifinity cost conjecture toward the month's end $25.84. Change for February 16%. Axie Ifinity gauge for Walk 2026. In the first place, cost at $25.84. Exorbitant cost $25.84, while low cost $22.23. The normal for the month $24.45. Axie Ifinity cost gauge toward the month's end $23.90. Change for spring 7.5%. Axie Ifinity cost expectation.